Just grabbed this off Marketplace. 55-inch moose plow. 200 bucks. That's what happened. There it is. It's mounted on the bumper. They don't come with anything, so you gotta go out and buy your own bolts. So pretty much gotta mount it back on the four-wheeler. Yep, that's part of it. Fun stuff. Finally got it all hooked up. The plow. Got that all set up. The plow's in there. You gotta make your own stuff pretty much if you don't buy the bracket. Harbor Freight has a bracket, but it's $5. Get that and some U-bolts. I just ran that up through here. Pretty much. Because I plan to take it off during the summer. So, but, I mean, that's it. Got that all set. Not too bad looking. Run that through there. Down. Can't really put that plate back on. Not enough room. Let me take this off. Big box is kind of in the way, so there's not really a whole lot of room. I'm going to try to make it work, but we'll see. It probably won't go back on the cover, but ran the wire, a couple zip ties there, up through, but just started it up after all the work. Did the oil change, so that should be good. Sounds pretty good, but plow's on, all hooked. That's the finish. I did end up spraying my tank. Not too shabby. Looks pretty good. Oil change probably helped. The lights do work. I have a light bar I'll probably put on there. We'll see. All the lights work, so I guess we're doing better. Nice and bright. It's an aftermarket pipe. I have no idea. So, but it all works. Works good. Alrighty, thanks for watching and God bless. Hopefully this helps out for those that are doing project wheelers and whatever else. But simple things that might just, you know, CDI box, that's all it really needed. You know, bought it cheap on Marketplace. But, you know, bought the plow from a guy that's local. So, you know, you never know how it's going to turn out. You just try it, do a little bit of this, a little bit of that, put it together. But, that's it. Thank you for watching.